Hey guitar enthusiast, Lauren Bateman here, and in this video what we're going to do is we're going to go over a great beginner electric guitar that you can purchase that's not too expensive but is of good quality, that you can find on Amazon or any online outlet, or if you just go into a general store, they should have this brand and model in stock. So let's get into the video and I'll show you what it is. So the guitar you see here is my first electric guitar. It's probably over 20 years old, and it was my Squier Fender Strat. And I love these guitars because they're made by Fender, so it's a quality product. But electric guitars are really good purchases, especially if you're a beginner. One, because they're a little bit easier to play because the strings are a little bit thinner, but also they're usually pretty high quality compared to a cheap acoustic guitar. So this is the Affinity Series Stratocaster by Squier Fender. You can also get the Bullet, very similar guitars, but on this you get 3 pickups. This is your pickup adjuster here, so you can adjust between those pickups for if you're playing rhythm or if you're playing lead. You also have a couple tone knobs here and a volume knob. Now the great thing about this guitar is it has a really good price point. You can probably find them within the $200 range. I've actually been able to go to a local music shop and get used ones in really good shape for maybe like 50 bucks. So you might want to check that as well. So the great thing about the Fender Squier electric guitar is that it's a quality guitar for a very good price point. And I also know that they sell some packages, which I'll put links below to these products so that you can find them. So oftentimes you can find these in a package deal with an amp, with a gig bag, and that's really a price saving cost that you can do. So you can buy a package all up front, and that's usually why we recommend to our students, if you're an adult, get a full scale. So you want to get a full scale Squier electric. If you're shopping for a child, you'd want to get a 3/4 scale electric guitar, so they're a little bit smaller and easier to play for kids. But this is a quality guitar. If you take care of it, it will last you for decades. You may never even want to upgrade to a different guitar. I mean, I still have mine 20 years later and it's holding up really well. It's got a lot of dings on it, but it's a great guitar overall, and that's why we highly recommend this at my music school. And anyone who asks me what's the best beginner guitar, for an electric guitar player, I always say go for the Fender Squier. It's a great value for the price, and I think you guys will really enjoy it.